Tracking multiple projects without losing focus can feel like juggling too many things at once. But with the right strategies, it doesn't have to be overwhelming. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track your projects, stay organized, and keep your focus sharp, even when deadlines are looming. Stay tuned, because I'll also show you how you can follow along with the exact software I use for this, and you'll get an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of this channel. The first step in tracking multiple projects is breaking them down into clear, manageable tasks. The more specific your tasks, the less likely you are to get distracted by vague to-do lists. For each project, start by identifying the key deliverables and divide them into smaller tasks. This gives you a roadmap to follow, which keeps you focused on what's important rather than feeling lost in the big picture. Next, prioritize those tasks. Not all tasks are equal. Some need to be done sooner, while others can wait. Use a simple prioritization method like the Eisenhower matrix. Label tasks as urgent, important, both, or neither. This will help you focus your energy on what really moves the needle for each project and avoid getting bogged down in less important tasks. Now, let's talk about staying on track. The best way to stay focused across multiple projects is to create a single, centralized place where you can track everything. And while there are tons of project management tools out there, I've tried many of them, and our software is by far the most effective for maintaining focus without overwhelming yourself. It lets you track multiple projects in one dashboard, see deadlines at a glance, and break down tasks into actionable steps, which is key to staying organized. You can follow along with this software using an exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. This offer is only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss it. For optimal focus, limit distractions. Schedule time blocks where you work only on specific tasks. When you're working on a project, close unrelated tabs, silence notifications, and remove any potential distractions. You'll find that with the right environment, your productivity will skyrocket, and you'll be able to give each project the attention it needs without feeling overwhelmed. Also, track your progress regularly. As you complete tasks, mark them off. This visual progress can be incredibly motivating and keep you from feeling like you're losing momentum. And if you hit any roadblocks, don't hesitate to reevaluate your task list and make adjustments to timelines or priorities. By now, you should have a clear system for tracking your projects, staying organized, and maintaining focus. Let's quickly recap. Break projects into smaller, specific tasks. Prioritize them using the Eisenhower matrix. Use a centralized tool to track everything, limit distractions, and track your progress to keep yourself motivated. Finally, if you're serious about tracking multiple projects without losing focus, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description. Our software helps you stay on top of everything and is the perfect solution for tracking multiple projects without losing focus. Your key takeaway? To manage multiple projects without losing focus, break them down, prioritize, track progress, and keep distractions at bay. With the right system and tools, you can keep your attention sharp and move projects forward with confidence. Don't forget to grab your free trial below, and I'll see you in the next video.